Can you add music to a post on Facebook after posting? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're clearing up the most confusing questions on Facebook. That is, if you can add music to a post after it's already posted. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, I'm going to tell you guys if it's possible or not. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook application. And let's say you post a nice photo or a video and then you forget something. So something like you forgot to add music. Now, in that case, you open up the post by going over to your profile by tapping on the top right corner. And then from there, you can tap on the menu icon, and from that, you can go to profile banner. Now, from your profile banner, you can scroll down and find the post where you forgot to add music. So I'll just head over here, tap on the three dots, then you can just find the option to edit post. Tap on it. Now there are only some limited things that you can add to the post. So what happens is in certain things you can find the option to edit the caption, and you can find the option to edit other stuff like other pictures, add other pictures, and as you can see here, I'm only able to add these stuff here: tag people, add feeling or activity, check-ins, camera, and get calls. But there is no option to edit the music. So the only thing that you can do here is once the post has been posted, you cannot add music. So when you're creating a photo or a reel, once it's published, those editing tools will also be disappeared. Now the only workaround is to display the post and first delete the post and then re-upload it back again. You can do that by clicking on the three dots and then tap on delete, and then you can easily repost it again. That's the only thing you can do as of now. So I'll just go to this post, tap on the three dots, and then tap on move to bin, tap on move, and you can easily repost it again with the music that you like. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.